Welcome to Bosco Institute of Technology Abuja, where we empower young people with the skills they need to succeed in today's world. Our center offers a wide range of vocational training programs designed to meet the demands of the job market. In our Catering and Hospitality department, students dive into the world of delicious food and outstanding service, mastering the art of cooking and hospitality. Our solar and electrical installation department is all about renewable energy and electrical know-how. Here, students gain essential skills in solar energy and electrical systems. Plus, we are proud to offer free training for girls, making sure they have equal opportunities in this growing field. In cosmetology and hair making, creativity is at its peak. Students learn to create stunning beauty looks, gaining skills to become professional stylists and beauty experts. Our building and construction department focuses on the skills that build our communities: carpentry, plumbing, and masonry. And like in solar and electrical, we offer free training for girls here also. In fashion designing and clothing production, students are taught to bring their fashion ideas to life, creating clothing that are both stylish and practical. Finally, in our ICT and Media department, students step into the digital world. They learn skills in computer programming, graphic design, and multimedia production, perfect for careers in tech-driven job markets. At Bosco Institute of Technology, Abuja, we believe every young person deserves the chance to reach their full potential. Join us as we build a bright future for all. Find us at number 1 John Bosco Avenue off St. John Mary Vianney Crescent, Extension 3, Kubwa, 901101 Abuja. Email us at jobitechabuja22@gmail.com. Visit us at www.jobitechabuja.org. Call us at +234 916 135 8937.